All right, in this problem, we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 132 units, and we want to find the length of side VY. So VY would be this side length over here. So that's what we're trying to find. Now, if we recall, we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 widths plus 2 lengths. So one of these is going to be the width, and one of these is going to be the length. For our purposes, it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to call this one up here the width, and this one over here the length. You could certainly switch that, and it would work out just the same. So since the width is 4x plus 3, I'm going to plug that in for W. And since the length is 5x, I'm going to plug that in for L. We also know the perimeter. The perimeter is 132. So we know the perimeter 132 equals 2 times 4x plus 3 plus 2 times 3x. So I get an equation. I get an equation in one variable, which is what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to solve for x. So let's just work through the algebra. So we have 132. We'll distribute the 2 here. So we get 8x plus 6. And then 2 times 3x is just 6x. I can put the 8x and the 6x together. That'll give me 132 equals 14x plus 6. I'm going to subtract the 6 from both sides. So 132 minus 6 is 126 equals 14x. Then I'll divide both sides by 14, and that will give me my value for x. So 126 divided by 14 is 9, so my x equals 9. Now again, that's not the answer to the problem. We want the length of this side I highlighted in black earlier. So that side has to be the same as the side across from it. So this side is, of course, 5x. Well, that doesn't tell us anything if we don't know x, but we do know x. X is 9. So this side is just 5 times 9, so it's 45. So side VY is 45 units long. So, very common where you set up an equation, you find an x, and then you plug it in. We could have found any of these sides, actually, because I could have plugged it into this 4x plus 3 if I would have liked as well. So if you have questions on this one, please let me know.